How's it going, everyone? Mark from Brick Foundation here, and I have some exciting news. A LEGO Comic-Con exclusive has just dropped right now for sale on Amazon. The LEGO Marvel Avengers Taskmasters Ambush exclusive Black Widow set number 77905. It's now on sale right now on Amazon. I will include the link in the description below. But guys, this is very exciting. I didn't know they were even going to drop this. This was a surprise to me. Let me know if you guys knew anything about this drop, and also which one of you are going to pick up this set. Right now Amazon has the set retailing for $39.99 and also has next day shipping available, so you guys can get this set tomorrow. Now the set has 230 pieces. In this set, of course, you get Black Widow, Taskmaster, and Red Guardian. Alright guys, so this is your chance to go ahead and get that Red Guardian minifigure. Alright guys, but that's all I have for you today. I was just really excited that this dropped. I actually received a text message from Amazon for the treasure truck to purchase it, so letting you guys know, all my followers and subscribers, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys later.